Hello everyone, good evening. First, let me introduce myself. I am Aulia Wayu Fitrianur, absent number 4. Now I'm in the second years in mining engineering major at Polytechnic State of Malang. And today I will explain about P&H Mining. So let's get started. First part, history. P&H Mining was built by Alonzo Pauling, an industrial pattern maker from Chicago, and Henry Harnisweger, a machinist from Germany. They met and worked together for the White Hill Company sewing machine in Milwaukee, and from that point they tend to make a small machine and pattern shop that happened on December 1st, 1884. The shop is specialized in making parts of machines in major industrial in Old Milwaukee. They producing an equipment such as steam engine puppets, valves, steam engine gears, and beer keg sealing machine. Moving into the next part, the journey. P&H mining equipment journey start by handling and repair the damage of bridge crane for Edward P. Ellis Company. They make the bridge crane is more simplified and efficient and easy to operate, and they get customer attention for that project. So from that project they start to build more crane for railroad repair shops and factory, and even producing their own crane. With the recognition by a lot of customers, the customers start to call the shop P&H, that stands for Pauling and Harnisweger, and it was be their trademark for this business. Moving into the year 1893, P&H Mining start to build their own rock line of AC and DC motor using an equipment from the Gibbs Company that collapsed and have been bought by their partner Westinghouse Electric Company. They famous as having very best product design and manufacturing control. During this year, they facing the bank panic, and they think the crane business wouldn't make it, so they expand their product with built digging machine, and the first product was power shovel. Then this power shovel is evolved year by year up to the most famous product was P&H Model 206 in 1920, which make for Waukesha gasoline engine, and from that point they built more digging and lifting machine for mining equipment. In the 1930s, they upgrade their design. They transform their products into all-wheel design, which more lighter and tougher than rivet steel plate design. And next, into the 1939, they concentrate in building crane and welding machine for industry and electric power shovel for mining industry due to the World War. So they just concentrating in this part because of the World War. And moving into the year 1968, they produced electric power shovel that called P&H Model 2008 800 for metallurgical coal mine in western Canada. They keep growing, and in the 1991, they making the walking track line that reducing the production cost of surface mining, acquire the drilling products line of Gardner Denver and develop the drilling rigs, introducing P&H 4100 electric power shovel, and they make the new equipment that called in-pit crushing conveying system machine that combine the crushing engine with the digging. So in the mining process, it would reducing the time cycle of mining process, and that was the best innovation that they do. Part 3, my conclusion. So from the explanation, my conclusion is P&H mining equipment had evolved since 1884, focusing on make the best quality equipments and provide the sophisticated equipments in mining operation. Alright, that's all that I can explain. Forgive me if I do something wrong or I say something that didn't really good. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.